Welcome to the next video in our video marketing training. And in this video, we're talking about setting up a plan, and we need to know where to start. So the first thing we need to do is figure out, where do we start? And first, we need to determine, number one, who you're wanting to talk to. Number two, what are the problems you can solve for them? Number three, what is their true pain? And we want to go levels deep on this, not just the surface level problem that they're having right now. And also, what is your relationship with them? It's important to know who you're talking to and reflect the relationship that you have with them. So your tone is going to be different when you're talking to a stranger who doesn't know you versus someone who already knows you and maybe already has some experience with you and your business. So it's going to be more friendly and more familiar. And remember to always be specific. People pay attention when you have something to say that is relevant to them. Otherwise, it's just noise crowding up their feed on social media. So the next question that you want to ask yourself is, what is my objective? So we start with the finish line or your desired result in mind, and we figure out the steps that we need to take to get there. So determine what you want your potential clients to do and map out how to achieve that goal. We're going to be very specific about giving them the next steps. Next, we want to brainstorm to decide what to say in the video. And keep in mind as you write, number one, to be human. Demonstrate that you understand their pain points, what they really want and desire, and not just surface level. We go several layers deep so they know that you understand where they're coming from. And by doing this, you gain trust. Now, number two, show your personality. People are going to like you for you. And if they don't, that's okay. There's going to be more people. Next, we want to make it juicy or interesting. You only have a few seconds before they scroll through, click away, skip your video, so make it count. You need to capture their attention within at least 5 seconds and also be clear. Confused people don't book appointments or buy what you have. We also want to make it personally engaging. We want to build anticipation. We want to use curiosity and urgency. And people love explainer and how-to videos. You can also use thought reversal videos, which are like answering the myths that they might have or the objections that they might have to your service that you find yourself explaining over and over again to people. For example, a lot of people might say, oh, I don't want to get hair extensions because it totally damages your hair. And you find yourself explaining over and over again that if you use the right type of hair extensions and the right technique of hair extensions, then it doesn't damage your hair at all. So you have to make sure that you have the right hair type and that you're the right candidate for the hair extensions. And that way you can preserve the strength and integrity of the hair in the best way possible. But you need to know these things first. Also, demonstrate your value and lead with proof. In your videos, show examples, show photos, show real people, show testimonials of people who are already happy with your services. Next, we can tell a story. Storytelling always wins. Through story, you can grab and keep attention, create suspense and emotion, and captivate your audience and accelerate that trust in you. So, make sure that you have laid the foundation, built your value, positioned yourself as the problem solver before you ask for anything. They need to know that you're the expert before you ever ask them to book with you or to buy anything. So through our videos, we can demonstrate our services, our skills, our talents, demonstrate that we are the expert. We are the person that they want to go to. And that's when they can really see us as the specialist, and they'll want to learn more about us so they can follow up in different ways and finally connect with you and book that appointment. So in the next video, we are continuing on, and we are going to talk about the 3 very specific videos. If you don't know where to start, if you don't know what to do next, if you feel a little overwhelmed by all of this information, I'm going to show you the 3 specific videos that you will want to have, and even the 1 most important video that you can start right now. So I'll see you in the next video.